Hey guys, what's up? Back again. Thanks for clicking on this video, or thanks YouTube for force feeding someone into my video, depending on how you got here. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Tabby or Tabitha. I do makeup reviews, and I am now getting over into some fitness wear reviews, and that is why we're here today. So I started last month having crazy hair. No, I started last month with a company called Ellie, and it is a fitness wear subscription box. It comes every month, and they have 3 levels, I believe, 3 levels of boxes. So the first one, you get 2 pieces of active wear, generally a top, or no, a sports bra and a bottom, pants. I think they have shorts sometimes, but mostly pants. The second one, you get 3, so you get the shirt, the sports bra, and the bottoms. And then the bigger one is the one that I have right now. It is all 3 of those pieces plus 2 accessories, workout accessories. So this box is called Ellie. You can find it at ellie.com. And for the one that I have, it's $49.95 a month. For all of those, you can skip or cancel any month. It's actually pretty easy to do. And you can also exchange your sizes if they don't work for you, and change your subscription at any time, go up or down, whatever you need. It seems to be pretty easy to do. Anyways, let's get into this box. She hefty. So this is her. This is what she looks like this month. And they do send you an email at the beginning of the month before you are charged, so that you can see the collections. You can pick your collection if you want, or they will automatically pick one for you if you don't pick in the allotted time based on your previous selections. So that's kind of cool. It can be a surprise, or you can decide what you want. So let's get on into this. This is actually pretty cool. So we're in this together. This is a pretty large sized box, so I'm just going to set it down and we're going to pull things out. The first thing we pull out is an accessory, and it is a chrome body massager by Balance Collection, and it looks like little disco balls that just kind of roll around on your body parts. It has a handle. It's not one of the vibrating ones though, unfortunately, but it looks like it will kind of twist maybe a little bit. And you just like ease your muscle tension. Yay. Probably never going to use that. Might throw it at my boyfriend and tell him, be like, give me a back massage. Right. So the next thing we have in here is also an accessory, and it is a sport media pouch. It's a little pink and rose gold. It has 2 little pouchy pouches. And yeah, this one like holds a phone or whatever. So that's kind of cool. And it also has a long strap, so it can actually like, you can wear it like a crossbody. That's what they show it. So that's kind of cool, because I'm always looking for workout pants with pockets, because I don't like to take shit into the gym because I will forget it. Anyways, then we have this little magazine. We didn't get this in last month, so that's kind of cool. Let me glance through here and see what's going on. Looks like it gives you some workout stuff. There's some little like product things in here. It looks like for your face and your skin. Ooh, there's some recipes. Butternut squash soup. Okay, it's just some reading material. There's some like yoga stuff in here, some poses and whatnot. All right, sounds cool. Looks great. Fantastic. I'm setting that to the side. And then we also get our like shipping manifest that tells you everything that we ordered. It does not, unfortunately, give you the prices of the items that you got. So it is what it is. You never know what these things like individually sell for. And I guess I could probably look them up, but who's got the time for that? Who gives? Honestly, who gives a shit? Seriously. That's just my take on it. I'm kind of in that mood right now. It's almost Christmas. Everyone's got their hand out. Everybody's getting my money. At this point, I'm just like fucking Daddy Warbucks walking around like, take my money, take my money, take my money. I'm done, y'all. I don't even care. Moving on. The thing on the top, we have the pants, and I got a size large. Last month, I got a large, and they looked really cute. They were super cute pants, and they fit okay. But whenever I was taking them out of the box, I was stretching them, and it looked like they were squat proof, like you couldn't see through them or whatever. However, I was deceived. They're not squat proof. They're ultra comfy and very soft, but don't wear them on leg day. Learned that one the hard way. Yeah. Anyways, hopefully this month is better because your girl does a lot more leg days than she does anything else. So these are cute. This month I picked the collection Velvet Crush. This is like a wine colored, and we have these are actually little velvet pieces right here. These are from the brand Bally Total Fitness, which I think is, I don't know if that's the same brand that I got last month. I don't think so, but I could be wrong. I've been fooled before, but I'm stretching them as hard as I can, and I can't really see through them. We shall see. These are high rise, and they are supposed to be ankle length. So, we shall see. I think they feel very soft, like brushed. The inside feels the same as the outside, and I absolutely love the color. So I'll give you an update next month on how those wear so we can truly test them out. Now, moving on to the sports bra, I had to up my size to an extra large. I got a large based on their sizing charts and based on what I normally wear. No, it did not work. Not in the slightest, not even a little bit. I have a 36 triple D. Triple D. And they were not fitting in a large. It fit my daughter perfectly, who wears a 34B. B, y'all. B to triple D. Sometimes I wear a double D. It just depends on the style. But that's the difference in sizes. So girl upped it to an extra large, and we'll see how it does. So this one is the same brand, Bally Total Fitness, and this has removable pads, it says. It's got the 3 little lines here. They appear to be pretty stretchy, and this is the back. Super, super cute. So I will have to try this on and see. Hopefully this one fits better, but it matches the pants perfectly. So cute. And then the last thing in our box is our top. And I stuck with the medium. Last month I got a medium and it fits perfectly. It's amazing. So this month it is a hoodie, and it's a lighter wine color. It's a crop hoodie, and this actually feels pretty heavy. It's got the little, see those? The little tie strings down here. This is from the brand Marika. This actually feels fairly hefty. Like, it looks lightweight, but it feels a little bit heavier. Actually, it feels amazing. It's a crop hoodie, which I absolutely love. Look at that. Like, the hood is almost as long as the hoodie. And it looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. My only immediate is that there are no thumb holes on the sleeves. I am the nerd that loves the thumb holes. I love them. If it's got long sleeves, I would prefer to have thumb holes. If it comes even close like this, this is so close, like it almost needs thumb holes, but you know, it's just a normal shirt, so it's okay if it doesn't have it. Anyways, that's what we got in this month's box. And again, this is $49.95, and it's a monthly reoccurring subscription. I think next month I'm going to pay a little bit more attention to what the accessories are. I don't think I really need them. Actually, I know I don't need most of them. Last month I didn't use either of the things that came, the accessories that came. They're just kind of sitting in a box. And this month I actually will use this, though. I will use this. This is useful. But the massagey thing is probably going in the same box. But what can you do? Hey, I do have a white elephant party coming up, so we might throw something in there. Anyways, thanks for checking this out, guys. Go ahead and leave me a comment below if you think that the subscription is worth it, or if you know of any other subscription boxes similar to this. I am currently going to the gym about 5 days a week because I'm not happy with my body proportions right now. So I am trying to work on my fitness. I am focusing primarily on weightlifting. I don't want to be a bodybuilder or anything. I'm just trying to tone up, you know, build some strength and some shape. And I hate cardio. First off, I can't run. Any of you that have been here for very long know that I was in a horrible, horrible motorcycle accident, and I was put back together with a lot of metal. And that really restricts me from doing a whole lot of cardio. So I hate it anyway, so I kind of do use it as an excuse a little bit. But anyways, let me know below what boxes you might suggest, or where you might suggest that I check out next, and I'll be happy to do a video for you. Yeah, and if you're interested in this box, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below so you can go check it out. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just go check out their website. They didn't send it to me, anything like that. They don't even know who I am except for a credit card number. So that's okay. Anyways, thanks guys, and if I don't talk to you or see you before then, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate, however you celebrate, or whoever you celebrate with, make the best of it, and I will see you next time. Bye.